Hi, I was going through Prim's algorithm basically to revise it before interviews, and there's a few things that I noticed in this whole implementation thing that is very important. If you're doing it in Python, you need to know about heap queue, the heap queue module, and use heap pop and heap push for the priority queue. It's a min heap, so that's fine. And if you want to store the minimum spanning tree in here, then your minimum, so your every node or every entry in your min heap will be, um, first will be the distance, then will be basically the edge weight, then will be your node, and then will be your parent. So that's how you store the edge weights, the node, and then the parent. If you don't need to store the minimum spanning tree, then you can just do with the edge weight and the node. So let's go through this. Declare a priority queue. Declare. This is something, this doesn't matter. In Python in a tuple, it'll automatically take the first value of the first element as the base to compare and put the element or the tuple with the least edge weight at the top. So that's fine. You push your first element into the queue and then you do a heapify. Sorry. Okay, yeah. Heap push, heap up. So you do a heap push, so that automatically heapifies it. Cool. So you start with the sum 0 and loop till the priority queue isn't empty. You get the top of the priority queue and pop it, which you don't need to do in Python. Like you just do a pop, heap pop. Now you get the node from the first, sorry, the second, and the first in the tuple will be the weight. What is this weight? It's basically the edge weight. So if your visited node, if your node is already visited, then just continue, don't do anything. If it's not visited, then add it to the visited, like mark it as visited, add its weight to the sum, and traverse through all the adjacent nodes. There is adjacency list of node, and so adjacency node will be the name of the node, and edge weight will be the different distance between this node and the next, like the neighbor. So this is what the edge weight is the current node and the neighbor node's distance. So in this way, when you put all of the nodes into the priority queue, then you have this, so your priority queue has the least edge weight at the top. So that way you can just pick it up from the top. So if it is not visited, only then you push it to the priority queue. That's it. It's pretty simple. It's just that the way, like, how are you storing it in the priority queue? What is edge weight? What is node? What is adjacency node? You need to know. It's like the edge weight is the distance from the node to the adjacent node. That is what edge weight is. Yep. It's pretty simple, but it's not really very simple. So that's that. That's it. Thank you.